Hey folks, I'm just pulling down some old saws. You just seen I just started the old Pioneer up. This is a McCulloch 650. It was made around 1964 to 66. 87 cc's. Has auto oiler. Tillets and carb. I'll take it outside and fire it up for you. See, this saw runs really nice and it has a ton of compression. I bought this saw, the engine was seized and it was missing a lot of parts, but I had a lot of parts, so it was just the bearing on the clutch side. I got a little oil in there and in the crankcase and let it sit, and a little heat was able to get it to break loose, and surprisingly the seals are good and holding up. But I've never cut anything with this saw. I do have a 24-inch bar and chain that's 404, so it does have an auto oiler. I'm going to pour some oil in it and see if that works. I've got a big pile of wood out back, nothing big, but enough to where we can see if this thing will cut. So maybe in a video in a day or two you may see it out making a cut. Thank you for watching.